It is Monday, a rainy day today, and it appears that the contractor or subcontractor for the plumbing are here today to start the work. I'm gonna go in there and have a powwow with them. There's a photo there. Let me go this way. Over there. All right. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to the old subscribers, and thank you to the new subscribers. Please make sure to share this video, like this video, comment below if you will. Thank you so much for your support. The gravel, that's the gravel is for, and they put the pipes down, so they put the gravel on top of it. Good morning. That's it. Oh. That's because you keep me a drain line that is being taken out. So the drain's gonna come away.
Outside in the bed is a manhole.
Good morning.
Okay. All right. Okay, well, let me talk to somebody. I'll call you back.
Okay. I'm the owner's rep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so.
I'm the plumber.
Okay. All right, how's everything going?
Not good.
Uh-oh. Monday morning.
Yeah. We have new plans. And they're different from the plans what we were working with.
Oh.
You want to take a look?
Yeah, sure.
This is our original plan how we supposed to run the line.
Okay.
So we come somewhere here.
Okay.
No, this way and this way. This is the new plans. What they show, we have to make an 8-inch storm line, connect all roof drain to 8-inch line. Go to the back, there's a manhole you see, and go around and go to this side, go to the street. And somewhere here by the door, under the window, we have connected the sanitary. And what is the another problem? We have here a water coming.
Next to the sanitary line?
Yeah, it be coming exactly in the woman bathroom.
Oh, wow.
Which makes no sense.
Okay.
To still maybe where water coming, we have to put a meter. The RPG 8-inch RPG for the sprinklers, and all the design will not work. Or we have to redesign this or redesign this one.
Okay.
I just found it Friday. He's sick because he got COVID.
Okay. Yeah, he was. I from some Friday. I think he said he was sick. So,
Yeah.
all right. I'm going to go back to the office and then we'll reach out to the architect and I'll get to them. We'll connect to see.
What is holding me or what I need a question? Which plan is more important? If we follow this plan inside, I can do something.
Okay.
So I can run this bathroom. I can run this line. So, and I will check today maybe for more.
Okay.
So we're gonna check what is the size of the storm line.
Cool.
They requested 8-inch.
Okay.
I don't know what is the size. We'll see. So I need to make a plan. So we need them to go over the trench. We do one trench. We need them to go over the trench to another line.
Sounds good.
So if we will be in the office, push maybe everybody to make a decision.
Okay. Cool.
If this will be the plan of the interior plan, will be like the main plan, we follow it. So I can do something. If you follow this one, I cannot do until we'll make a decision.
All right. Okay, that's cool. All right, let me get going, and then
Oh,
I'll
this
continue.
safe area.
Yeah, sit there. Yes. Yeah. That's
I have a bunch of pipes.
it. Okay. Let's make sure we lock up. Good. We'll keep
Yeah.
them tight. Yeah.
I'm gonna lock something
All
myself.
right.
I will check all the doors.
Yeah.
But
And yeah. Okay. Good. All right.
All
Thank
right.
you.
What's
I
your
might
name?
come back in. Real.
real.
Yeah.
Yes.
I might come back in the afternoon again, but let's see what happens when it comes to architect. Thank you. Okay, it's Monday morning, and we have a set of issues that we need to work on. I'm going to go to the office and then call the architects and see how we can resolve this new issue that we have at the site. One of the things is the plumbers are here today to do the interior work, the interior plumbing, and they said they have two different sets of plan. One showing that the sanitary line runs from back there and all the way around to the back, to the side of the building, and goes all the way out to the street. And then somewhere there it ties back into the building. Somewhere there it ties into the building. So they have that issue that they're talking about. And then the other plan is basically the pipe running from here, from that kitchen area right there, all the way down, like I said in the previous video, and connecting over there. So they don't know which plan is the right plan to go with. So that's a Monday morning issue that we have to resolve sometime today to get them going, so at least they can get some work done today. All right, and we just had this little leaks right here because when they're doing the demo of the concrete, the pipes, the drain pipes got knocked off, and now the water just gonna keep pouring on a rainy day. That's where we are right now. All right, all good. What happens is, coming from the kitchen area back here, sloping this way is good. We'll slope all the way here. Now, architect is sloping this direction up. Civil is sloping this way down to come out and tie out here. I think the civil guy is the way we're gonna go, but I need to check with the architect before I make that decision to say we are going to reverse what he has shown on his drawing. That is where we are right now. And you can see they said this in invert. They gave us the dimension right there. So we need to, these are the things that determine the slope of the pipe. So we have to be very careful. That's where we are. So let me get on the call with the architect, and hopefully we can get to the bottom of this today. Leaving the field, I'm back in the office now, and the architect has sent me some drawings to show that there's no conflict, and I will be going over those drawings to see how to rectify the conflict in the field, and so we can move on with the day, because the guys are just sitting there just waiting on something to happen. They're waiting on response from the general contractor and also from the architect side, and mainly from my side as well. This has nothing to do with what we're doing. That's just the roof sections and stuff like that. And here's the drawing files, and going down to the plumbing section, and I will be downloading that part. That's the electrical. Here's the plumbing, and this is the perimeter drawing. I will be downloading this. What I don't have here, I don't see here, is I don't see the underground. Yeah, that's good. This is what those guys need in the field right now. And in one of the video in the episode, I had shown you that they came and they marked the walls of where the line is going to go. And this is what you see right here. This is the plumbing line down there, And this is the back room over there, the kitchen, and the body wash back this way. And the line goes all the way down. And this is the wudu area. Yeah. Okay. This is correct. So now we gotta look at the civil. Let me download that. I need to download that file. Check to see if anything going on. Nothing's going on. Alright. Good location, good. All right. So they're just waiting on us now. They're waiting on us. Tuesday at the project. The architects got the plumbing drawings done yesterday, late afternoon. But while he was doing the drawing changes and doing the modification to drawings, they were working their way doing some investigation work on the site. And today, I got them the drawings yesterday, and today the work is ongoing. So let's go walk through it and see what's going on today. All right, plumbing work is going on. They've dug the trench, as you can see down there, that's the trench. And the guys are laying down the pipe, the sanitary line pipe that's going all the way out. This is the wudu area. The men on this side, the women on the other side over there. And they're laying the line that's going to the kitchen right there. They're doing the trench for that right now. So there's progress going. Thanks to the architect for jumping on the rectifying the issue yesterday. Although it took some time to get it done, but he got it done in the end. And I got a call from the civil. I got a text message from the civil today, and I told him everything was fine. That his drawings were good. It was just the plumbing drawings that we need to adjust to match the civil drawing. So today the work is going. We are on track. The trench.
Здесь труба или что? Пока суппорт. Если здесь трубу, тогда пускай стоит.
What are you doing?
Здесь труба идет?
Где-то она короткая, это надо резать. Она будет идти.
That's a tie-in. That's when it goes out to the yard. That's a sanitary line going out to the yard. You can see the big pipe. Yeah, it's good. That's a trench, so that's gonna go all the way to the wudu area. I mean, yeah, that will go all the way to the kitchen and body wash, and they connect somewhere here.
Let's just stop that. Heat up for now and put stone in. And we'll take whatever we need from it later. The mount simplify right here. So 22 and a half, right? That's 22 and yeah, whatever. Somewhere in. Yeah, that's the maximum.
Can we from the branch to the bottom get the lens?
Yes, that's not very good at wet vent. Что, можно пускать?
Если надо, я думал, да я в церковь должна посмотреть.
So it doesn't matter, we'll still go straight to this.
Окей.
To the
Ты выйдешь с
box.
нами?
Yeah.
everything's. So we figured this out. So we're good. We're moving on today. Awesome. We are going to have a new issue on our hand. The issue that we're going to have on our hand is they did some investigation yesterday while waiting for us to rectify the drawings, the plumbing drawings and the civil drawings. So while we're doing that, they were working, doing the underground investigation of where all those drain lines that you see behind me yesterday, leaking water from the roof coming down. They've done the investigation, and that is going to be a new project, a new direction that has to be done for those pipes. So we have to do all the underground drain lines for the roof where the rainwater goes out and connects to the new line. That was not part of the scope of work that is on the drawing. That is a new thing. That will be a change order. Hopefully the price is not too steep. All the plumbing materials on the floor, on the underground plumbing material, the plumbing work. You have the spray pipes, different sizes, and then you have all the elbows and the Ys and the Ts that are going to be connected, and then you have the rubber fittings that's going to be all put together. Here, it's all going.